go over or joined on the phone by the governor of Ogun State, Binkule Amosu, to get his response on what Chief Metu just said. Good evening, and thank you for joining us today. I mean, we had Chief Metu just speaking about Fahi. It was as if he was raising an alarm that you, Mr. Governor, are on your way to alter, to manipulate
the results.
The results there. What's happening? Is that true?
Well, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I've just been told. I didn't watch it. I'm in the government house, watching my own OGTV here, monitoring what is happening. But please let me say this. If what they told me that Chief Olisa Metu said, then I think we have a problem in this country. People of positions of authority and responsibility should measure the way they speak in public. How can he go on air and say that I am going to Ota or I am in Ota? For his information, if he doesn't know, we said it before, we are cruising home with a landslide victory. So we don't need to run around. I am here in government house now as we speak. So I do not know what he means by governor of Ogun State. That's what I've been told, if it is correct, that I'm going to Ota, they saw me in Ota. Maybe he doesn't even know where Ota is in the context of Ogun State. Ota is very close to Lagos, it's a border town with Lagos. I am in Abeokuta as I speak. So I don't know where he gets his stories from. If it's about this election, we have won with landslide, not just winning. We said it before, and we thank the good of Ogun State, they've done that for us. So he should please, we are Ogun State. He should please not bring Ogun State into disrepute. If you want to play pranks or play politics, please, Ogun State is not part of those states that he should talk about. We are Ogun State. We know the rules. I've been home. I only went to cast my vote in Obafemi Ode, and I drove back immediately. So I don't know what he meant by saying that I am in Nota or something. Somebody is in Nota. So please, he's somebody that represents PDP at that highest level. He should not just speak anyhow. Please.
Mr. Governor, how would you assess the election process in your state, though?
Well, of course, in my state, it went well, except for what I've been saying since. We do not have PVC. Over 650,000 people could not vote today. But that aside, the few ones that they've given us, of course, they voted. And if you see our result, they will announce it. Everybody, we are in situation room here. And that's why I couldn't even hear what he said on channels. We're here in situation room. I mean, government has in Abeokuta here monitoring our results. And that's why, for me, everything is okay. We have to make do with what we have. Except for the card reader, in some places they told me that it was slow. Even for me, it was slow. It took a while before my card could be read, but no problems. Other than that, everything is okay. The only people that were trying to wreak havoc are even the same set of people from the Kashamo of a man. He was the person that was going around. And I have to call the security agencies that please put this man under check, and that I think that has been done. Even as we speak, I think all of his boys, everybody, they are now in the barracks. They kept them since around 2 when they were roving around, they phoned me. So everybody, we've comported ourselves, we are Ogun State, and we've done well. And that's what has happened. People, I have to thank our people for their resilience, for their determination, for their perseverance. Everybody waited. More people even came out today.
Okay. Thank you very much indeed for speaking with us then.
It's a huge pleasure. Thank you.
All right. So there you go.